Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you are facing this issue, error unknown file system and Grub rescue, this video is for you. I will show you how to fix it. This issue occurs when you made a dual boot with a Kali Linux or Ubuntu. I directly gone to this option and then select here the UEFI, and you can see here select the Windows first option and then press enter key, and also enable your secure boot and disable the legacy support. And once you do that, just press F10 key and press yes, and it will be fixed, as you can see. So I have guided you how to fix it, and I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.